treacherous terrain.
It's the second best quality water in Britain. First being Peckham Spring.
Oh, get out the walk.
Look good.
You look right tonight.
Mountain top camp today. 719 meters, I think, something like that. Long walk up. Nathan's still with us. Here he is. It's going to be a hard slog, but we're in for a calm night. We got a 2 actos and pre-tent soloist destination. A big peak. Looks proper steep. We're going to try and get up this gully. It's the stream coming down the right hand side there. Apparently he's come down it, but it's never been attempted upwards. Stay tuned for subjects of the night, which is going to be Unhappy Britain, which is being taken as protests on the street, labelled as riots. It's proper wet this side, this only thing. Hard going through this, this harder than it looks stuff. I've hit the wall a bit. Stopped for a bit of flapjack. He's ploughing on ahead. I can't see Nathan. Make good progress now. It's just one really steep bit to go. Oh, struggling today, guys. Still got that to get up. I know I'll do it. Spot the nice dog. It's hard to see, isn't he? Yes, Look, I carried water all the way up here and it's flowing right from the top. In fact, guys, it's coming from a bloody spring. That's the second best quality water in Britain. First being Peckham Spring. I know. The final stretch. Don't look so steep on the camera. That's where we come from. Top at last. Oh, Jesus.
For a while, right?
Van Gehirach! Ah, look over there.
Fabricainog. Good bath. Catch you on that tonight, I think.
Right, there's the double actos and all the glory. I think I'm going to open the barn doors tonight. It's a warm night. Just leave it like that. The bugs on the mountaintops are weird. Look at this. What is that thing? Beer lineup is as follows: black hearts, jaipurs, and then I've got steak and bratkot of flen, which is basically like little chips, round chips, and mushrooms. And as snacks, I've got nuts, coffee for the morn, and there's Poppy's food, some beef. On the X-Ped, Dura 5R. Quote goes down later because of old Snuffleupagus. Loving life again, I know. Always loving life. You love these adventures.
Take you through the setup. Neilberg Acto. Got the Bonfus Framus 58. Foil mat. Exped 1R. Windard quilt. 2 pillows. Happy days. Nearly here, boy. Cheers. How you doing, Ned? Hey? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Not far now, son. Pump those legs, sunshine. No pain, no gain. Nearly have it. So they'll walk up there now and you've done it, mate. That's a hand clap for it. Top of the metal was rusted, it was just expanded and blown it off.
Got it.
Feel the metal work at the bottom.
Yeah.
Jump across. Hey.
Is he going to climb on top though?
Oh. Yeah,
I will.
legs. Hey.
Come on, babe.
Fall in the water now.
Whenever we chuck this stone, Poppy finds it to go throw it like 100 meters away. She will find it. Time to do it again, is it? Yeah.
That's 100 meters.
Right, mushrooms are on first. We're going for a coffee.
Coffee first, right? Gotta keep make the cans last.
Chips coming on slow. Flies are eating Nath. And Poppy's hungry. Want some of this, Joe?
What's that? Oh, dog food.
Beef stew. Trying to stay away from the fly orgy that's going on there. Chips are done. Not quite what I envisaged, but you know, it tastes the same, innit?
There's a fly in that already.
Nathan's going for the easy option, look.
For now.
Ready-made sausages. And Roof is going for man-sized hot dogs. The average woman couldn't handle these hot dogs. The size these sausages.
For the flies. Dirty git.
Gigantic brioche buns.
Flattened.
Have a hot dog, please.
What do you want on it?
Well, chuck it all on, boys. Starving me.
Butter?
You can't have butter on these. Fatty puts butter on them, but you can't muck about with these as your proper hot dogs. Don't know how you want to be. For the church. Oh, look at that. Chili con carne hot dogs. Pulled out of the bag here.
Chili dogs.
Steak with Nathan's tomato sauce. Look good.
You look right tonight.
Got some visitors. We got Sweaty Mike. Show it back. Jesus. Mike, Kerry, and Connor's apparently somewhere down there.
I'm on my second. I'm on my. Don't know how many cans now. Oh. get out and walk.
There he is, look, topless con is here. One tiger thing. Mike, man. This is cool. Like that.
Simple things, that.
Nathan set up in the pretense. He's got the thermarest Max, whatever it's called. I tell you what, he's packed for the cold. Look at this. do the scream. Do the scream again. Let's go.
Moo, moo, moo.
Look at this knife, man. What is it?
Joker.
A joker knife. It's pretty smart, that.
Sight. Smart as. Just don't take it though, Mr. Wild Wheels fast, well, because someone will rob it off it.
Is there anything?
Scumbag.
Right, I've never seen this technique before. This is
Gotta buy another little
two
burger.
pot noodles in the pan technique.
Little bit in the manch too, I think.
This could be a new thing.
Tunnels in, yeah. Well done, man, that's it. No more
Double pot noodles. Have we done this before, or is this a new invention? Could catch on. What do you think of these protests? What's your views on it?
I'm going to keep shut. I am going to
It's
think it's-
back in it.
You think it's protests or is it riots?
Riots.
I think they're just labelling it as riots.
Protest. I don't agree with the young little thugs going around doing. They're just doing it for the sake of it.
I don't know.
Yeah, you've got to be honest on it. The police, I think, are provoking it a bit as well.
Yeah, well, if torching police stations and stuff as well.
At the end of the day, we've good and bad in all races and religions now.
Yeah.
I think it's just people protesting about being unhappy about the situation in the UK. And it's just being labelled as riots. You will get some troublemakers or all the protests.
Of course we will.
I'll not being funny, right?
But that's not what people are going there for.
We've got over 30,000, 33 million more population than Canada, and we can fit the UK and Canada 40 times.
I got no problem with immigration.
No,
just illegal immigration.
Do it right. Come over with the trade. Come over with the. You don't see any of them coming over with kids. They're all single men, for one. We don't know their background.
Yeah, but I think
They're
the
not
reason
vetted.
for that is like it's up to the man to travel far distance and then call on the family then to get there.
When you go through the right channels, I got no problem with immigration.
No, neither right.
You know what I mean?
Australia got it right. You come in with a trade.
Yeah.
That's
That's
it.
what Reform wanted to do, isn't it? Make
Come in
it
with a trade. If you
a
get a trade, you don't come in the
point-based
country.
system sort of thing.
Because like you said, we've all got friends with different races and
course we have.
religions
Oh, yeah.
and what, and you know, we all get on great.
Yeah.
And to be arguing about something now like this is stupid. Like I said, I got no problem with no one, but you've got to be fair, innit?
It's nothing to do with racism.
No way, nothing to do with racism whatsoever.
The other video I saw the other day was like the protest, and then there was an anti-racism protest. And they're both throwing bottles at each other.
Huh?
They're both as bad as each other.
Yeah, but
That's the thing with the UK.
I said I wasn't going to talk politics. I kind of spoke a lot.
Yeah, but they do all, don't they? We interfere too much in other people's business.
Yeah.
To break it down at the end of the day, like you said, if you're right to me, I'm alright to you.
Yeah.
That's the end of it.
Yeah.
Done Peterson, is it?
You got it right this
Got
time.
it right this time.
What do you say his name was?
Robert Patterson.
Start of Twilight, that is, right?
Jordan Pearson.
Yeah, but he said you need to deal out mercy and justice equally because they don't work without each other. So in the society we're in now, it's all about mercy. People can just get away with whatever they want.
Justice system in this country.
Don't be too nasty to them. You've got to be nice to everyone. There's just no justice. Man.
Yeah, well, it's like he says that, you know, hard men create good times, and weak men create hard times. Yeah. I keep saying it's all by design. You know, they're trying to get us all arguing against each other, racism, this, and then they try to, put in the gender wars. It's only the poor that argue with each other, and that's all by design.
Have you seen the pronouns list? You can call yourself a worm cell or something weird like that, like some alien thing, and that's totally fine. We got to call this person a worm cell.
Yeah. People, I'm a dog, woof woof, and all that. If my child, but if my child come out and said that to me, I'd be like, right then, you're going to be a dog, dude. Right then, there's a bowl of pedigree chop.
In the kennel.
Yeah, you don't that.
Jump on that.
Yeah, jump on that.
And you're going to sleep in a cage. See how long they last as a dog.
Yeah.
They're not going to last long, are they?
No.
Walking around the park on a dog. They've got to be on their hands and knees.
Yeah.
To be a cat, like then there's a litter tray.
Yeah.
They're not going to be a cat for long.
No.
They're going to eat that cat food. Going round.
Yeah, you'd be locked up over now. You'd be locked up for like you'd be locked up. You would, wouldn't you? It's.
Yeah, well, they're not going to grass you because they go, all they can say is meow.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know that. Yeah.
You're not allowed to talk English no more now.
No, I know.
What do you do, boy?
Meow,
Meow, meow. Yeah.
I think Nathan has noticed the wind. That does look so then. Wind has probably picked up. That's not looking great now, I think. Yeah, put the garbage in, was he? I got flat for this. They get a bit squished as well, look. What a mad view to open your door to. I had a bit of a shock this morning. I forgot I was so high. And this girl, she decided to wake up at 6 o'clock. It's now 7:30. She's been outside the whole time. Don't know what you've been up to. If you do come and go. This is what getting up too early does. Why don't you go back into bed, man? Come back to bed. No. Yeah.
Treacherous terrain.